Now I've just heard something that I just can't refuse. My favourite bird. So I'm going to keep following that call. See if we can find it. Hear him again. So there we go, really pleased that worked. You can hear pileated woodpeckers from miles away and just gradually track this bird through the forest. And it's without doubt my favourite bird. There you go, he's just over the ridge a bit more now, but what a fantastic bird, fantastic sound. That incredible rich red on the head like that, and these really are sort of synonymous with these big forests here in southern Ontario. Great big woodpecker, absolutely love it. It literally every time I hear that sound makes me smile. I'm glad you could share that little experience with me.